gonna stop at a chassis diagnostic place and find out about my weird wobble between 42 and 47 miles per hour. So it's making, yeah. I've been feeling a wobble when driving the RV between 45 to 50 miles per hour. Not a good thing. It could have been as simple as a tire weight falling off one side, or any number of other things. Not being a mechanic, I figured it best to take it to the experts. And it's not always easy to find places or mechanics that will work on an RV. I have a Class C RV. It's a 2001, so it's not a spring chicken. It's 25 feet long, and it's the Ford Econoline. I guess they call it an E350. Well, during February, I was camping in southern Arizona, and I spent quite a bit of time not too far from Yuma. After a Google search, I called Chassis Dynamics and made an appointment. Now, remember, this is my house and home. So if my rig has to be in a shop overnight, there are considerations. Like, can I sleep in it on site? And do I want to? I have no other set of wheels, so a hotel would even be difficult and undesirable to me, but I'd have to rent a vehicle. Fortunately, I have a friend living in Yuma and was able to stay at her place for the one night needed.
Sway bar bushings, your tie rod ends,
Yes.
you can see right here, and then they have a lot of play. I'm even able
That's
to,
what's making, yeah, that's not a good thing.
that, the stabilizer.
Yes.
This one, if you can see it, it's a little bit worse.
Uh-huh.
He's recommending the front shocks.
Okay.
Your radius arm bushings, if you can see right here.
Yes. No
That's
rubber?
one. Yeah.
Is that what we're
And then-
seeing? No rubber?
Yeah, and then this one's worse.
Jesus.
He's recommending those, and then he's recommending these right here. These bushings right here. I mean, you might not be able to see these. On this side, you'll be able to see it a little bit more. But right here, if you look where the rod goes at.
It's the rubber. All the rubber's dried out and rotten, basically.
Yeah.
Because it's been in Arizona for a long time, I think.
Yeah. That, and I mean, it is early 2000, right?
I know, it's 24 years old.
Yeah.
And all that for a wobble. At the same time, I don't want it to like be busting on me someplace when I'm like, on the road somewhere. Because that happens. She's smart. And if you drive any vehicle, it will break down eventually. And it's never a good time. So be prepared and don't panic. Most important is to have a nest egg specifically set aside for your vehicle. It should probably be several thousands of dollars and allow for your regular maintenance, like your oil change, the tires, a tune-up, whatever it needs. And also major unexpected repairs. And you have to be prepared for a possible hotel or Airbnb, meal expenses, and that might be over several days. In fact, that nest egg should be enough to replace your entire vehicle. In addition, paying annually for roadcare can pay for itself just one tow. Not to mention other perks like a jump start or maybe changing a tire. This repair job cost over $2,000, and it would have been more, but they gave me a discount because I paid in cash. Small businesses, that sometimes works. Bonus, the wobble is gone and the front end is tight. Wonder what it'll be next.